a very nice little origami action model. It was shared at the British Origami Society 50th anniversary in 2017. Nobody's quite sure who invented it or discovered it, but it seems to be a fairly recent origin. You need a 4x1 strip. This is the way I get a 4x1 strip easily. Get a square and divide it into 4 like this, 4 lengthwise, and that of course will give you 4x1 strips. You have to cut that off, and you could make obviously 4 caterpillars out of that. So we're just going to make one. Cut off the strip, and from then on it is origami. So fold the strip in half, and then as carefully as you can fold it into thirds. So you have to guess what a third might be and fold it down at the front like so. And then I turn it over and again fold it up at the back, and you'll see if you're right or not by the time you open it out. But that's roughly right, I'm pretty sure, yeah. It doesn't have to be all that exact for this model, but obviously roughly a third each. Now when you undo the strip, you'll find you have 6 sections now, all the same shape. Well, we're going to have to alter the folds. First of all, just turn over 2 corners at one end, like so, to make the head. These are the eyes of the caterpillar. Then make the top fold there a valley fold. The second one a mountain fold. The third one again a mountain fold. The fourth one again a mountain fold. And the final one a valley fold. And that's the folding finished. So it should be of shape something like this. That's the caterpillar. Now something really nice happens. It will take a bit of adjustment. You'll have to push the folds a little bit apart sometimes, or just adjust them depending on the surface you're on because of the friction it's got there. But if you blow on the 4th of the squares, the caterpillar should crawl along in a rather special way. Rather nice. So here it goes again. The crawling caterpillar from the British Origami Society 50th anniversary celebrations.